So beta here are some questions, right? These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to check whether they will exhibit the resonance or not, one by one, right? So first question, in first question, here is double bond, single bond and double bond. The conjugation is there, that means the resonance taking place. So here this will exhibit the resonance. So here and in this, the double bond delocalization takes place this side and these pi electrons come to this side. So the next resonating structure will be, here comes the positive charge and here comes double bond and here comes the negative charge, and again this come to this side and this, the resonating structure will be, right? Now the second one, in second one the double bond is there and a positive charge is there, double bond, sigma bond and the positive charge. So the conjugation is present in that means the resonance will be taking place. So here these pi electrons attracted by this positive charge and movement of pi electrons takes place, and the resonating structure will be, next resonating structure is CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH CH2 positive. Now this time the positive comes on this carbon, these pi electrons again attracted by this, and again this structure will be formed. Now in this example double bond, single bond, double bond, that means double bond pi electrons, sigma bond and pi electrons, that means the conjugation is present, that's why the resonating structure occur, the resonance taking place, and the resonance, because of the resonance this will move towards this, these at this carbon, and this become, the positive comes at this carbon, double bond, and the negative at this carbon, again they will shift. Now in this example, here is the positive double bond, here is the sigma bond, again sigma, then double bond. So 2 sigma in between the two double bonds, sigma, sigma, double bond, and the conjugation needed 1 sigma bond in between the two double bonds. So double bond, sigma bond, double bond, no conjugation means no resonance. In between these two double bonds, double bond, sigma, sigma, double bond, sigma, sigma, double bond. That means neither kind of conjugation is present in this molecule, so neither kind of resonance will be there. So this will not show the resonance at all. Now the last one is CH2 double bond CH, sigma bond, negative charge, that means negative charge, sigma bond, double bond, the conjugation is present, and because of the conjugation present in that, the resonance will taking place. So in this comes here and this comes here, so the resonating structure will be CH2 negative and CH double bond O. Again the pi electrons movement takes place and the first resonating structure will form, right? So these are some questions based on the resonance, how the resonance is taking place, right? Next move to the resonance hybrid. So resonance hybrid is a combined structure of all the resonating structures, right? So resonant hybrid, it is the average of all molecular structures, molecular resonating structures of a compound, right? For example, CH3 COO negative. So beta in this CH3 CO negative, CH3 CO and O negative here. So in this the pi electrons, the electrons shifting takes place, negative, sigma bond, double bond. The conjugation is there, resonance will take place, so movement of pi electrons takes place and two resonating structure will be formed, CH3 CO negative this time, and here comes the double bond. Again this double bond shifting takes place, and again this formula comes in existence. So these two are the resonating structures of acetic acid. Now the resonance hybrid, what is the resonance hybrid? So resonance hybrid structure is CH3 COO and the pi electrons moving between the two oxygen atoms. So this molecular structure is the resonance hybrid of acetic acid, right? Clear? Now next to the second example. The second example is, this is the first example. Now the second example, CO3 double negative carbonate ion. So in this carbonate ion, the structure is this, right? And in this, these pi electrons, these movement takes place, conjugation negative, sigma double bond, conjugation is present. So here come. Now this will shift towards CO negative, this time double bond, and here is the negative. Now double bond, sigma negative. Now these shifting takes place, and the next structure will be CO negative, O negative, and the double bond, oxygen. So here three resonating structures will be formed of carbonate ion. Now what is the resonance hybrid of these carbonate ion? So the resonating structure, resonance hybrid is C, this gives the resonance hybrid C, oxygen, 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 and the pi electrons moving delocalization takes place in between the oxygen atoms, right? So this is the resonance hybrid of the carbonate ion, resonance hybrid, right? So this is the how the resonance hybrid will be formed with the help of resonating structures. So you can easily observe the resonance hybrid molecule is the average of the resonating structures of the molecule, right? Now move to the two types of the resonance, the equivalent and the non-equivalent resonance. So beta, two types of the resonance, equivalent and non-equivalent, right? So resonance, here two types, the equivalent and non-equivalent. Right? So equivalent resonance is CO O negative. So beta here the acetate ion is there, so negative sigma double bond. So conjugation is there and the resonance takes place and the delocalization of pi electrons takes place. So here these pi electrons moving this and these moving this, and the resonating structure will be CH3 CO negative and the double bond, and again these pi electrons movement takes place. And you can observe here the pi electrons movement takes place between the two oxygen atom, means two same electronegative atoms. When the pi electrons movement takes place between the two same electronegative atoms, this is called the equivalent resonance, right? So the movement of electrons in this, the delocalization of a pi electrons takes place between the same electronegative atoms. Right? Now non-equivalent. The example is CH2 negative COH. This is the example. Now in this, the pi electrons movement takes place and the structure comes CH2 double bond C O negative and the hydrogen, and again the movement of pi electrons takes place. So beta, these are the two resonating structures, and you may easily observe in that the pi electrons movement takes place, the delocalization of pi electrons takes place between the different electronegative atoms. Here is the oxygen, here is the carbon. The delocalization of pi electrons movement takes place between the carbon and the oxygen. Different electronegativity of oxygen and carbon is there. So in this, the delocalization of pi electrons takes place between the different electronegative atoms. So beta, what is the use of this equivalent and non-equivalent resonance? So beta, the stability, when we discuss about the stability of the resonating structures, this phenomena is very useful. So I am going to write here a note. Note is the equivalent resonance is more stable than non-equivalent resonance. Stability order. Right? This is very important. Now beta, next move to the relative stability of resonating structures of a compound, and the most important thing in the part of the resonance, the relative stability of the resonating structures. I am going to define that with the help of suitable examples and questions. A lot of questions will be there, right? Thank you. Beta, one thing I would like to say you, I am making your concept crystal clear with the help of suitable examples and questions are there. So please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel Brilliance Academy. This channel is Brilliance Academy. So please subscribe the channel. More videos are there. I will make more videos on miscellaneous questions on different topics. So please, the first thing you must do, that is like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Please. Thank you.